guys, welcome back. It's been a few months since I've uploaded a video, but yeah, I'm just going to show you around the Audi and show you what I've been doing since the last time I uploaded. The last time I uploaded I was talking about getting my wheels painted, and yeah, they're painted now. The car obviously isn't bagged at the minute, but yeah, I'm going to get some pictures took today, so I will definitely show you more. So it's been a wee while since I've uploaded a video, and yeah, I'm just going to show you around the Audi and show you what we've been doing. The reason I haven't uploaded in so long is because I've been working so much, and we've been trying to get ready for shows and stuff. So my car obviously got serviced and had its MOT, so I spent like £400 or £500 there alone. And then obviously got the wheels painted and had to get a centre cap, which was like £300 to get centre cap, plus then the lip and stuff. So also Ryan's car burst a bag, so we had to pay for that as well. So it's just been so busy since Stop Shade, and I'm only getting a chance now to sort of show you around. So I'll just show you through the Audi now. We're also going to get pictures took today, so I'll be able to show you better it bagged down and cleaned up and stuff. I'm just going to give it a wee quick wash now while I've got a minute here. So the other thing is I've bought another car. I haven't got it here at the minute. Ryan has took it away to the shop, so when he comes back I'll maybe get to show you just what car I bought. If you follow me on Instagram you will be able to see which car I bought anyway. But yeah, I just wanted something a bit more fun to drive whenever I feel like it. So I've got the Ferrari wheels painted. They are like a sort of a champagne colour, and yeah, obviously the centre caps aren't on. Anyone who knows about last year, I lost the centre cap while I was driving to a show, so I don't drive with them on anymore, and they're just off all the time until I need them on, like when I'm parked up or whatever, but they will not be on until then. But yeah, I think they look really good. I also got the Maxton Design lip, obviously from Maxton Design. Obviously the car's not bagged down here. I'm just going to give it a wash. I've literally just moved it, and the tyre at the front is flat on the left hand side, so that's going to have to be pumped up as well. But I'm going to give it a quick wash now, and maybe Ryan won't. I got a new lip for the Audi from Maxton Design. I've also got a 10% discount code for Maxton Design. The discount code is at Civicky, and you just put that at checkout. I don't get anything from it, but they said I can share it with my followers and subscribers, so I'm just going to let you know that you can actually use that if you want to. So I was also talking about that I bought a new car. So I bought a EP3 Type R, and it's in the colour of Championship White. Yeah, I've just been super busy. I've been working quite a lot, and we obviously brought a dub shed, and yeah, we've been doing bits and pieces. We have obviously bought this new car as well, and it's been taking up a little bit of time. I've had it about probably 4 days now. It needs a bit of a tidy up as well, so that's what we're doing with that. We were up with Michael at Type 2 in Dundonald yesterday. The EP3 had a problem with the TPS sensor. That code it was throwing up anyway. So we went to Michael, and Michael changed the TPS sensor, and it seems to be okay. The only thing is, I think the spark plugs need changed, so that is a job for Ryan this week when he gets a chance to do that. Ryan did a little service on it yesterday. So now we're heading over to meet Jamie, who has started taking pictures of cars and stuff, and he's quite good at it. He's only 16, so he asked me would I be interested in letting him take some pictures of the Audi, and of course I said yeah, because he is really good at it. If he sends me any pictures before I edit this, I will add one in just so you can see. And he would be really grateful, I'm sure, if you could just go and follow him on his Instagram. much only bought the EP3 for a bit of fun and for really rallying about, and that was really it. Actually, the reason why I bought it was me and Ryan around Easter were out, met a few people that we knew, and they all had Hondas. There was an EK9, there was Ryan's DC5, there was a black DC5, a DC2, and an EP3. And my god, the noise and everything, but just put me right on the notion of getting another one. So then this white one came up and it was a really good price, and I just thought, okay, we'll go see it. It was only like 20 minutes away from our house, and yeah, came home with it that night. And I've just been sort of doing things to it. I've only had it since, what, Tuesday, and today's Sunday. So already I've got a new back box. I just got a Toyo Sports back box and got it fitted. Ryan has also given it a service. So yeah, in 4 days that's quite a lot. I've given it a wash. The inside needs a real good clean, so I'll probably do that some night this week whenever I have a minute or two. So yeah, that's really all I've done with the EP3, but I am so happy to have another Honda again. Something VTEC. It's just something else. Yeah, an EP3 wasn't really what I was wanting to buy. It's been resprayed in championship white. It was red beforehand. It would have been so hard to get a JDM one, and I wouldn't have paid anywhere near the money I paid for it if it had been a proper JDM one. I literally only want it to rally about. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, but that's really it. I'm not really going to do much more to it. There was a little issue with one of the sensors, so I took it to Type 2 in Dundonald yesterday. So we went to see Michael, who owns Type 2. He scanned it and the code came up for TBS sensor. So he literally just changed that for us, and yeah, it did make a big difference to it. I still think the spark plugs need changed, which we did try to get yesterday, but with it being Saturday there was nowhere open to get them. But I did take a video of the cars at Type 2. You should see some of the cars he has there and some of the builds he done. He actually did some of the work on my old Civic before I bought it. I think he maybe did the engine, and I think he maybe finished the engine bay. So yeah, he really does know what he's talking about. So I'll just add in some footage from Type 2 and some of the cars he has there. It is, oh my god, Honda heaven. It really is. I just couldn't get enough of everything there. There was a guy there yesterday and he had an EP3 there, which was supercharged, and he was telling me he's aiming to get it to 450 brake. So my camera died yesterday, that's why I'm sitting here in my uniform now. I just had a wee minute or two, so I thought I would do the video. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. We are going to change the lights in the Type R, and yeah, I'm going to try and upload a bit more, but thanks for watching, and I hope you